How to flip videos in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this home section. This is the place where you can create a new project and find different tools too. Here on the left top, simply tap on new project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one and at last hit on next. So basically we're in this editing platform. So this is the place where you can make different changes and edits on the video. Now simply tap on the clip that you want to flip. So here I'm tapping on one. Now on the bottom you can find different tools available. So simply swipe right and find transform. Simply tap on transform and here there's a section of flip. Tap on flip. So after you do this, the video will completely flip up. At last you can easily export it and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.